They're iron. They're or they would get a, probably out of Philadelphia or someplace, they would probably buy some and have it
By pig iron.
brought down, you know.
How long did a blacksmith, I would assume it would be an apprenticeship type thing.
Yes, it would be, yeah. Yeah, they would, what? They would take young men probably about 5, 6 years old and put them through the apprentice. And what the apprentice would do at first, when they come into a blacksmith shop, from what I've been reading and stuff, they would straighten up the tools, they would clean up the shop, and then they would gradually get them into making nails. Nails gives you your hammer control and patience. And a lot of blacksmiths did not like making nails. It was just